Welcome students in session number 8 of quadratic equations. In this session, we are going to study about word problems based on nature of roots. We have many daily routines, situations we are facing in our day-to-day lives and totally based on quadratic equations. And sometimes that situation will be possible or not, we are maybe in confusion. But by getting the nature of roots using the discriminant, we should identify the given situation will be possible or not. So let us come on such type of word problems of your exercise 4.4 question number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth? Length is twice its breadth. It means breadth is unknown, but length is known. How? Because length is twice its breadth. Length no, twice its breadth. And which is unknown? Unknown is breadth. So let me take the breadth in the form of x. And the area is of that rectangular mango grove 800 square meter. If so, it means if situation is possible, find its length and breadth. Okay. According to question, let the breadth be x. So length is twice of its breadth. It means length will be twice of x. It means 2x. Clear? According to question, area of that rectangular mango grove is 800 square meter. We know the area of rectangular, length into breadth. Here length is 2x and breadth is x, and length into breadth is equal to the area of rectangular mango grove. And what is the area? 800 square meter. While the solution, no need to write unity here. Okay, so that will be 2x square is equal to 800. And when you should shift it to RHS side, you can get like that. X square is equal to 800 upon 2, it means 400. So x square is equal to 400. Okay. Now you can see that formation x square minus 400 is equal to 0. When you should shift the 400 into the LHS side, x square minus 400 is equal to 0. Now time is there. The situation is possible or not. First we should get the discriminant. If the value of discriminant greater than 0 or is equal to 0, then the roots will be the exist. If the value of discriminant less than 0, it means it is in the negative form, then you can say roots are not exist. And if roots are not exist, you can say the given situation will not be possible. If roots are exist, then you can say the given situation will be the possible. But in which situation roots are exist, do you know? Just take if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, 2 real roots are exist. Second, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, 2 equal roots are exist. And given in both situation, the given situation in the question will be possible. And third is there, b square minus 4ac less than 0. In that case, the roots will not be possible. No real roots are exist. And you can say in the given question, if situation is there, then you say the situation will not be possible. In which case? In that case, b square minus 4ac less than 0. Now you are facing some problem in this equation. In these equations, you are not observing that equation in the formation of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 like that. Okay, so let us take how can we make it in that form. X square minus 0 into x minus 400 is equal to 0. Can we write 0 into x? It means 0, and there is nothing value of the 0. But for your to solve the question easily, we can write in that formation. So we can identify the value of a is equal to 1. No need to write minus like that. Minus plus, if 0 into x is there, you can write minus or plus, doesn't matter. So a is equal to 0 and b is equal to, sorry, a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 400. Minus 400. How can we compare? Compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 like that. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When you should compare similar term to similar term. Ax square is equal to x square. It means a is equal to 1 like that. Ax square is equal to x square. X square divided by x square, what will be here? 1. Now bx is equal to 0 into x divided completely x, so b is equal to 0. In the same manner, c is equal to minus 400. Okay, can you compare? Now to get the discriminant, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b? 0 square minus 4 into value of a 1 into value of c minus 400. Always try to write minus value in bracket. So 0 square, it means 0, no need to write. Minus minus plus, 4 4 just 16. 4 4 just 16. What is that? This is the positive value. It means d greater than 0. D greater than 0, it means roots are exist. Roots are exist. And how many roots will be there? If d greater than 0, you can say there are two distinct real roots. So if roots are exist, we should find roots, and we can say the situation is possible. The situation is possible. So first we should write the answer. Design is possible. Design is possible. Design is possible. Design is possible of rectangular mango grove. Why? Because d greater than 0. Clear? If roots are exist, then we should find. And we already get the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac, so there will be easy to solve using the quadratic formula. So what is the quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus value of b, you know here. What is value of b? You can see easily 0. And directly we can write value of b square minus 4ac. No need to write repeating it. And directly we can write the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 1600. So value of b is here 0 plus minus. What is the value of b square minus 4ac? We have the value of only b square minus 4ac, not we have value of under root b square minus 4ac. So we should write the value of b square minus 4ac inside the square root. Okay, and what is that value? 1600 upon 2a. What is the value of a here? 1. So 0, it means no need to write, but we write here plus minus square root 1600 upon 2. So x is equal to upon 2, sorry, x is equal to plus minus square root of 1600. You know very well, like that, square root 16, can we write like that, 16 into 100, it means 4 square into 10 square, it means 4 square into 10 square, clear, 4 square into 10 square upon 2. So plus minus, the value of square will be out of the square root, so 4 10 40 upon 2 and you can get plus minus 20, 2 2 4, x is equal to plus minus 20. But this is the length. What is this? This is the length and breadth. So length and breadth always should be in the positive. So you can write the x is equal to 20 meter. X is equal to 20 meter. Why? Distance always should be calculated in the positive value. So we should take x is equal to 20 and second is x is equal to minus 20 meter. But minus value will not be admissible here. Always positive value should be taken for the distance, and length and breadth are the distance. So x is equal to 20. Yes, x is equal to 20 meter. Okay, but we know x we got and x minus 20 ignored. And what is x? X is the breadth of the rectangular mango grove, and length is here. Length is here 2x. So 2 into 20, that will be 40 meter. That will be 40 meter. So length is breadth is 20 meter and length is 40 meter. Now come on, question number 4. Is the following situation is possible? If so, determine their present age. That will be for your practice work. The sum of the age of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. It means you should take just a hint. The sum of age of two friends. Let the age of one friend be x, then the age of second friend will be 20 minus x. 20 minus x. 4 years ago. 4 years ago, it means before 4 years. The age will be the first friend x minus 4 and second friend 20 minus x minus 4. It means 16 minus x. Okay. Then the product of their age. The product of their ages. The in year was 48. It means the first friend's age before 4 years x minus 4 into second friend's age 16 minus x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. Now you should solve, get the quadratic equation, find the discriminant and solve this problem. If roots are exist, if not exist, you can say the given situation is not possible. Okay, so that is your practice work of question number 4. What is question number 4? Question number 4 is your practice work or homework. Now come on, question number 5. Open your textbook. Question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter in the area 400 square meter? If so, it means if design is possible, find its length and breadth. Now perimeter is given and area is given. What is given in this question? Perimeter P is equal to 80 meter and area of the rectangular park is 400 square meter. But do you know the length and breadth? Length and breadth are not given. Let the length and breadth be x and y. Okay. Perimeter, it means P is equal to 80. P P is equal to 80 meter. Perimeter of the rectangular shape, do you know? 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 80. Length plus breadth. 2 into length. What is length here? Length is x. What is breadth here? Y is equal to 80. So x plus y is equal to, when you should shift 2 here, that will be come on the divide form of 80. It means 80 upon 2, that will be the 40. So x plus y is equal to 40. Clear? Now you should take any of this, the value of breadth or length, like that. So x is equal to, you can take like that, 40 minus y. When you should shift the y in the RHS side, you should get x is equal to 40 minus y. What is this? This is the length. Now according to question, situation number 2, area is given. How many? Area is given here 400 square meter, and area is given 400 square meter, 400 square meter. And area of rectangular shape, do you know? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length is x and breadth is y. X into y is equal to 400. We already got the value of x here, 40 minus y. So put the value here, 40 minus y into y is equal to 400. It's clear? We are replacing the value of x here because x is here. X is equal to 40 minus y. So multiply the y in entire the term. 40 y minus y square is equal to 400. And you should rearrange in the ascending form of the power, minus y square plus 40y is equal to 400. And you can shift 400 here. So minus y square plus 40y minus 400 is equal to 0. And you should multiply that equation by minus. So let me take in the next step, multiply by minus into the entire equation. So like that, minus y square plus 40y minus 400 is equal to minus 0. It means 0. Minus 0, it means 0. Why I am doing like that? To make the coefficient of y square positive, and it is not compulsory, but will be easier to solve you. So that will be the y square minus 40y plus 400 is equal to 0. Minus minus plus, plus and minus, minus minus plus. Okay, now situation is possible or not. What we should get first? We should get first discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. And I am not writing here the value of b, a and c separately. You know the value of a here 1, coefficient of y is 1. Value of b here minus 40 because coefficient of y is minus 40, and value of c here 400. What is the coefficient of y square? 1. So value of a will be the 1. So let you write here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 40, and c is equal to 400. Okay, so b square, it means minus 40 whole square, minus 4 into 1 into 400 by putting the value. That will be minus minus plus, and 4 4 ja 16, 2 zeros will be there, minus 4 4 ja 16. What will be 1600 minus 1600? 0. It means the value of discriminant is 0, and you can write here, in that case the quadratic equations have two equal roots, two equal real roots. It means now you can, that's why the situation is possible. Because the discriminant's value, if the discriminant's value is greater than 0 or is equal to 0, then you can say situation is possible because the quadratic equations exist real roots. Okay, if roots are exist, then we should find it, and we should use here quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Why it is easy? Because b square minus 4ac we already got here. Okay, so x is equal to minus b, the value of b here minus 40, minus, that is in the formula, so value of b here minus 40, plus minus, here many times student making wrong, minus, that is the minus of formula, minus already given in the formula, so you should write the minus first and then you should write the value of b. If value of b is given in the negative form, so you should write in the negative form here, minus in bracket minus 40 plus minus root, no need to write the b, the value of b and a and c like that, we already got the value of b square minus 4ac is here, and what is the value of here? D is equal to 0. Okay, upon 2a, value of a is here, value of a is here 1. Okay, 2 into 1, so minus minus plus 40 plus minus root 0, it means 0, no need to write, upon 2, so x is equal to 2 2 is 4, 2 0 is 0, what is 20. Now you can write the unit here, 20 meter. Now the value of, how can one mistake is making here, what, and maximum times my students also making that mistakes. Why is here x? Tell me first. Many student because they are very familiar with x as a variable in many quadratic equations, and they are not facing the different types of variables, but here variables changed. Watch the quadratic equations in a proper manner. Y square minus 40y plus 400 is equal to 0. Which is the variable? Y. Y is the variable. That's why we will write here value of y. Formula for y. Y is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So that's why that value is y. Y is equal to 20 meter. Now come on, what is y? Y is here breadth. We already got the breadth, 20 meter. Now time for length. But according to that situation, roots are equal. It means length also will be the same. But let you take and find it. How? X plus y, come on, in this situation x plus y is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40 minus y. You should give that equation number 1. So by equation 1, x is equal to 40 minus y. So x is equal to 40 minus value of y 20 is equal to 20 meter. But it was already decided by the value of d is equal to 0. It means roots are equal. Roots are exist, but both roots will be the equal. So you can write directly length or breadth are equal, and that is the 20 meter. So y is equal to 20 meter and x is equal to 20 meter. That's all. Okay. Now if you have any query, you can ask me, and practice work already assigned you, exercise 4.4 question number 4. Okay. Thanks.